How you doing? Todd Uminski. Listen up, everybody. Today is your day to change. Change for the better. Are you depressed? Are you worried about things every day? Are you thinking how you can't get things done? You guys out there, you need to change. Change your mindset. Change how you think about things. Change how you feel. You're the only one that can do it. Nobody else is going to do it for you. Do you have a goal? Do you have a dream? Do you have thoughts of your future? Think about those thoughts every day. Obsess about them, what you want, how you want your life to live. Think about it. Make it like a movie. Pretend you're the lead role in that movie and get out there and play the part of what you want to be. You can be whatever you want. It's your choice, your own choice. So start making choices in your life. Start turning left if you need to turn left, and turn right when you have to turn right. These are choices out there that you have to make. Don't make the wrong choice. And if you feel like you make the wrong choice, turn and make the right choice. You got to keep changing. If you have to change, move. Make it a different day. Your next day, you have another chance to do it again the next day. And you have another chance the next day. So stop thinking backwards, or stop blaming people in your life. I'm this way because of this person from my childhood. I'm this way because of that. I'm this way because of what happened 23 years ago. You can't keep thinking that way. Start thinking of your future self. What do you want to achieve in life? Do you have a business that's not going anywhere? It's not going anywhere because you're not making choices. You got to do something different. You got to make that goal, make that dream. You got to obsess about it every day. What do you do? Think about like a year goal from now. What do you want in your business? How do you want that business to take off? What do you need to do? You need to put down process, procedure. You got to think of ideas of how you can achieve these goals. There's so many different ways, so many different avenues. It's out there. So I hope this helps someone out there. Go out there, achieve what you want to achieve. Please leave a comment, share the video. Talk to you soon.